Is GPS not working on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to location settings, connection problems with your iPhone, or software issues. Don't panic. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how to solve the GPS not working issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on the location. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Location Services. Now toggle on the location services here. Solution 2. Enable map settings. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, scroll down to the maps, tap on it. Here, you need to enable all the settings. Solution 3. Update your software. Open the Watch home screen, tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then download and install the update. Hope your GPS not working issue on your Apple Watch is solved. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for today.